Mentakasi hakapur step lalap ya kamet yap jong khynnah ukershan bor khar mudai na khlaw Mawpat belaja na yang sa jong u na Nongrah lumarbo hakapra tarik urisau 8,000%. Kajing yawa diu khynnah klalong na duk kapur jan miet jong kasi balang kapra tarik urisau 8,000%. Bakani kajing wat la beteng mentakasi ru ringkat ki Porsche nang baki pulit Henry kabasusi kalong ba mentakas step lalap ya kamet yap na khlaw Mawpat. Habakran kilat pathai kubor u superintendent ki pulit ka East Khasias district uba Vivek CM ubala poi dala dia ha katiga jakab lalap ya kamet yap ulong bakani katiga jingsha penyap laom bakindang ya shong banyakran bala bantau ya kekenhun toket daka special investigation team namar ha kani ru de ukna ubala sha penyap bat bala shulit bu ha katiga jaka
Maudiang SP's office special cell all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points towards being a murder?
Yes, I said there's all indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing case now would found to be dead? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who's been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How many of this incident has created concern among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such instance we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question, during your family's function, was the murder committed here only or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.